Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share my foot care routine using VLCC Pediglow Foot Care Kit. It is a very useful and helpful all-in-one pedicure kit for home purpose. You don't need to visit salon if you have this kit with you. It not only saves your money but also gives you 1000% better result than salon. This VLCC Foot Care Kit is priced at rupees 550 and you can use up to 10 times, which is very economical than a single trip to parlor. So let me introduce with you guys the 4 magical products that comes in one box. So the first product is Pediglow Foot Cleanser with Soap Nut and Margosa. Moving forward to the Pediglow Foot Scrub with Walnut and Lemongrass. Next is the Pediglow Foot Cream with Cocoa Butter and Neem. Lastly, there is a Pediglow foot spray with patchouli oil and lemongrass. Let's start with the procedure. Take half tub of lukewarm water. First step is to cleanse your foot properly with the help of Pediglow foot cleanser, which is infused with soap nut and margosa. Take 4 drops of foot cleanser. Mix it well and then soak your foot for 15 to 20 minutes. It removes the pollutants from the pores and also softens the thick tissues. Also heals the pain from your heel and softens the foot. It has a shampoo-like consistency and the fragrance is exactly like fresh citrus. After soaking my foot for 15 to 20 minutes, I am taking a pumice stone, dipping it into warm water to avoid injury on your skin, and then rubbing it all over my heels to remove the dead, dry skin. A pumice stone also softens your calluses and corns to reduce pain from friction. Continue rubbing the stone on your skin until the dead skin is removed and soft skin is revealed. Repeat this process daily or twice a week for soft, supple foot. The next step is to scrub our foot with the Pediglow Foot Scrub infused with lemongrass and walnut. There is a cover inside too that protects the product from drying. The texture of this scrub is super soft and creamy. It has huge chunk of granules which is good for foot scrubbing. It has a fresh soapy smell and gives a slight lather. This scrub is enough for giving you a soft baby foot texture and it also removes dark spots. Apply well and massage your feet for a couple of minutes. Scrub your cuticles nicely and do not forget to scrub your heels and underneath your feet for removing dead tissues and then gently clean the foot cracks if you have any. Lastly, rinse your foot properly. Third step is to massage your foot with Pediglow cocoa butter and neem foot cream. It comes with an extra cover to protect the product from drying. It has a water-based creamy texture which has a soft feel when touched and the smell is extremely pleasant and relaxing. I mean, it's really great for cuticle softening. So take a generous amount of this product and massage it well for 10 minutes. When massaged, absorbs very fast into your skin, penetrates nicely into your skin, and lastly take a hot towel and wipe it off the every bit of massage cream. Fourth and the final step is Pediglow foot spray with lemongrass and patchouli oil. It is a convenient spray bottle which is travel friendly, has a very fresh, relaxing citrusy smell. I think the last step is the best part of the kit. 2 to 3 spits is enough for your whole feet. It keeps your feet so odorless, relaxed, and the antiseptic agents in the spray keeps foot diseases at bay. The final verdict about this VLCC Pediglow Foot Care Kit collects all the compliments and give it a rating of 100 upon 100. Packaging is so compact and distinguished. Quality of all the 4 products are top notch, will last long enough even after 5 times of usage. Cheaper than the parlor pedicure sittings, trust me guys. It is a great home purpose pedicure kit for all type of seasons and the ingredients of each product will soothe the feet and keep your feet clean and ultra soft. So hope you guys find this video to be useful and beneficial, and if you really enjoy watching me, then please subscribe, like, comment and share. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I will see you in my next video.